Boost your income quickly with affiliate marketing. When beginning with affiliate marketing, you most likely have a lot of questions floating around in your mind. You most likely feel lost when looking at where to start with your marketing efforts. Take a look at these tips below to eliminate your confusion and to become a successful affiliate marketer. If you are thinking of adding affiliate marketing to your site, do some comparison shopping. Not all programs are created equal, and many you have to find yourself. Check with your favorite vendors and see if they have a program you can sign up for. Loving the product you are selling is the key to making others want it too. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, discover the type of tracking software a company uses before you join their affiliate program. If the program does not track all of your sales, then you will not receive credit for all of the viewers that you refer to their company. Read all contracts prior to signing anything. Pay special attention to any exclusivity clauses that may be hiding in there somewhere. It could keep you from selling any other products from any other affiliate programs. This could really limit you to only the things that this affiliate program offers and cap the amount of money you can earn. Along with all the other options to account for with an affiliate marketing program, look at how ad placement affects your revenue. Certain ad positions on your site, and even on individual pages, will garner more visitor interest than others. If you track the results you get from individual positions, you can fit the most profitable ads to the most visible placements, boosting your revenue. Avoid exclusivity agreements at all costs. Some companies put clauses in their affiliate contracts that prevent you from linking to competing products, or sometimes any other product, on the site where you link to its products. While this might make the affiliate company a lot of money, it will have a negative effect on your income. You can make good money through affiliate marketing, but that is only the case if you know what you're doing. Having a high search ranking is an important aspect of running a website or blog. This will gain you better affiliate links and more money. Affiliate marketing can be very intimidating to someone who has never done it before. It can easily lead to feel overwhelmed because of all the resources available. Below are some tips to assist you in getting all of this information organized to where you can create an effective strategy to become a successful affiliate marketer. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.